welcome back to our channel. Let's take a look at the 5 times table. 5 into 1 equals 5. 5 into 2 equals 10. 5 into 3 equals 15. 5 into 4 equals 20. 5 into 5 equals 25. 5 into 6 equals 30. 5 into 7 equals 35. 5 into 8 equals 40. 5 into 9 equals 45. And 5 into 10 equals 50. Let's revise again. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45 and 5 tens are 50. Thank you for watching our channel.